Hello everyone. Today let's take a moment to recognize and celebrate educators around the world. Every year on October 5th, we celebrate World Teachers Day, recognizing the vital role of teachers, researchers and professors globally. Established by UNESCO in 1994, this day commemorates the anniversary of the adoption of recommendation concerning the status of teachers by UNESCO and International Labour Organization in 1996. Setting key standards for their rights and working conditions. The theme for this year's World Teachers Day is Valuing Teacher Voices towards a new social contract for education, which highlights the critical role teachers play in shaping education and the need to integrate their insights into educational policy and decision making. World Teachers Day is observed in over 100 countries. It promotes international solidarity and addresses the challenges teachers face, such as poor working conditions, lack of professional development and low pay. On this day, let's take a moment to thank teachers worldwide for their dedication and hard work in shaping the future. Their voices matter, and it's time we listen and value them more than ever before. Stay tuned and show your appreciation.